Hi folks, Terry Brown here, coming to you with another quick message video about the Instant Cash Solution Program. Now, if you've been looking for a great home-based business, business online, a great way to make some extra money, a great way to start, creating wealth online, then this is the system that you need to be involved in. Okay, $100 a pop. The easiest cash maker ever. Now you can really potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day. Okay, $100 to $300 plus every single day. That's the potential of this program. Now with our program, okay, we provide our team, and this is with our system. This is very powerful. We provide our team a fully automated sales funnel. Okay, easy to implement sales strategy, copy and paste advertising materials, excellent training and support, flexible hours. In other words, you can work this whenever you want to, 30 minutes a day. Okay, all you need to do is just share this with people like I'm sharing this simple information with you. Now here's what you'll be doing. And let me see. Okay, here we are. Post our pre-written ads on classified ad sites, Facebook, Instagram, and other media outlets. Post these ads daily between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and you choose your own hours. Follow up with the prospects that respond to the ads with our proven marketing sales funnel. And the beautiful thing about this is that we have a built-in autoresponder system. We have capture pages for you. This is really exciting. You really don't have any excuses. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. Okay. Now, invite prospects to our scheduled webinars. All right. And then follow our step-by-step instructions. This really is a great way for you to make money online. So if you've been looking, then you need to look a little bit closer at this program. Okay. Now, I love this. All right. Because here's what happens. A lot of people, have excuses for not doing what they know they want to do. And so they excuse themselves out of doing it. But you can throw away the excuses with this program. Why? Because guess what? You're going to get a website with us. Your time is not going to be taken up. So a lot of people say, look, I don't have the time. I don't have any money. Okay. And if you don't have any money, then you really should look at this program and start making some money for yourself. Okay. And then some people say, well, I don't have a product. But guess what? We've got the product. Okay. We've got the product, and the product is an incredible system of marketing. It's a sales and marketing system. Okay. That shows people how to market online and make money. That's what this system is all about. Okay. So we can throw all the excuses out of the window and, really think about it. There's really, with the Instant Cash Solution Program, there really is no excuse, okay, about making money online, because you can do it with this system and you can get started right away. A couple of other thoughts real quick, and then I'm going to close this video out today. Okay. This system enables you to earn $100 to $300 for every sale made. And now I'm going to say that one more time. With this system, okay, you will be able to earn, okay, $100 to $300 for every sale made. And you can potentially do this a couple of times a day. Okay. That's the potential of this program. This is a done for you system. Okay. It's really, I guess we can call it like a business in a box. All right. And you'll be able to get paid instant commissions paid directly to your PayPal account. All right. And you can get started with this program for as little as $100 and a small, okay, admin fee. Now, where the power is in this system. The power is in sharing this with other people. You don't have to sell it. You just tell it. All right. But I think I've said enough. As a friend of mine used to say, to have dinner over, and I'm going to close this video out today. So grab the link to access the information and to get started today, because the more you delay, the longer it's going to take for you to start making some money. You can do this. You can do this because the system's going to help you to do it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. You be blessed today. Grab that link. Get signed up today. Bye-bye now.